5, 6. Ra-ha, 1, 2, and a 3, and 4, and bend your little knees, and a ha, yes, and a rock into it, and a ha, hoom, ha, click. We're talking about grappling with the idea of mourning the past while also honoring the present, right? And this idea of leaving behind what no longer serves you and the constant pull that we may feel on those things.
Not everyone understands house music. It's a spiritual thing, a body thing, a soul thing, a soul thing.
Look around. Don't be shady. Look around. You're gonna need each other when you hit that stage. There's no mirror.